Hi everyone, my name is Duane from Winnebago. Welcome to Lazy Days here at the Tampa RV SuperShow. I'm going to talk a little bit about the Outlook today. We have 5 different Outlooks here at the show. We have all the floor plans that we make. Most of them have walk-around queen beds. 2 of them have doubles, 3 have the walk-around queen bed. And this is the 31N. This is a new floor plan for us. 7,500 pounds of towing on the Outlook this year. That's really important, very impressive towing capacity. And we've got the new cool white exterior. It's energy efficient. It's got a nice, bright, clean look to it and offers a very attractive option instead of all the tan that you see so often. And we'll take a step inside. Now we're inside the 31N. This is a massive kitchen inside. We've got an undermount sink with an attractive gooseneck faucet. And just look at all these doors and drawers here. Tons of storage in this. Overhead cabinets, large ones there. Here's your one-place control center for all your key systems. Everything is controlled there, and your inverter control. We have a 1,000-watt inverter on this one to operate the residential style refrigerator. This is a very large residential style refrigerator for a Class C motorhome. We have vinyl floor throughout. It's attractive kind of wood grain look. We place that side to side, front to back, all the way, so everything is placed on top of that. We have the best dinette in the industry with Primera ultra leather fabrics, sofa, dinette. This model will sleep 8 people. 2 here, 2 here, 2 in the walk-around queen bed, and then 2 in the overhead cab bunk. In the bedroom, we have a walk-around queen bed that slides out, and then we have an amazing amount of storage inside. Look at all these cabinets. Full-size wardrobe, and then 2 drawers here, 3 more there, another area to place decorations or possibly a TV, and then 1 more overhead cabinet there as well. Massive amount of storage in this 31N. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed your tour of the 31N Winnebago Outlook here at the Lazy Days display at the 2019 Tampa RV SuperShow.